Gonna give it another 5 minutes. The fire is super low, so I'm gonna just give it about 5 more minutes because I like when my meat is well cooked. I still have more over here. I was gonna fry these right now, but I've decided that I'm gonna just cook these first and then I'll do these off camera. So now that I've taken these from out of the frying pan, I'm gonna make the sauce. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add, I think this is sake. I don't know what it is, but it smells like alcohol and you're supposed to use sake. I'm gonna put a little of this, a little more. Okay, if you don't have sake, you can always use water. And the next thing that I'm gonna use is soy sauce. Soy sauce. Put just a little more soy sauce in it. Okay, great. And you know me, I don't usually follow recipes to the T. I'm gonna add some pepper. You don't have to add pepper if you don't wanna. This is optional. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of ketchup. My ketchup is almost finished. Okay. Okay, so now mix. Alright, and now I'm gonna add these back into the pot. This time I'm gonna put them on this side. I'm gonna cover this for about 10 minutes on very low heat. This is what's left of the mixture, so I'm gonna just fry this. While this is frying, I'm gonna prepare the pepper for baking. Do you remember the 2 peppers that I didn't cut in half? Here they are. So I'm gonna just put them in the oven for about 5 minutes. Oven is a bit too small for this to go in, so I wanted to cover it like this because these are the baking things that I have currently. But because my oven is too small, I had to cut off some of the pepper. So like this, I had to cut off some of the pepper so that it could fit into the oven. Like this. Okay. And I'm gonna do 2 because I know I have a lot of meat left. So I'm gonna do 2 sets one time. Alright. So I have these 2 in. Now I'm gonna put it, I think, let me see, 160. This is a trial and error, guys. Trial and error. And I'm gonna let the pepper bake for about 5 minutes. Yes, okay, it's about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm checking on this thing. I'm gonna give this about 5 more minutes. Yeah, look at this beauty. I need to move this banana. Yes, bacon. 5 minutes has already passed, but I'm gonna put it in for another 5 minutes because I just feel like I need to cook it some more. So another 5 minutes here for you. I still check on you again. And here, this is almost ready. I'm gonna just turn this off. So I've taken out these from the oven. I'm gonna just add the remaining flour to it because I don't want to waste the flour. But you can, I guess if you're gonna cook this thing, you don't have to add the flour, but I just want to add it because I don't want to waste it. It springs water, so there's water coming from the pepper. Look at this deliciousness. So now I'm gonna just pour some of the sauce, the same sauce that I used when I was frying the previous ones. So let me add. Okay. Alright, a little messy, but that's okay. Alright, there you go. I'm gonna just put aluminum foil over it. These are the baking things that I have, and it's supposed to be covered. I'm gonna let it bake for 20 minutes, but based on how this oven is, you can only put it for 15 minutes at a time. So 15 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. Okay, so there you go. I need to increase this to 180. I'm gonna increase it to 180, and I'm gonna put it in for 10 more minutes because, like, it's not even that hot. Look at it.